you're a woman, you have to know how to manage. You understand? Because three of these things can enter. That some of this. So this one is like so it starts from. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This afternoon I have a lot to do. Today is Sunday and we couldn't go to church today because we didn't wake up early. We slept late, so we couldn't wake up early. Especially this boy is not allowing me to sleep these days. See where his face is, the sucking breast line. Trying to change my boy diaper. And also, goodness, if I show you what has happened. Since we didn't go to church, we decided to do laundry. And we normally do our laundry 2 weeks laundry. And this one, my husband did it. So I have to be the one to fold it. But if you see the things, the clothes, I swear, I don't know how I'm going to even fold these things. So guys, enough of this long talk. Let's get back to business. This is what is on the bed. See? And some of the clothes are here. Some is also on the floor there. So I need to fold everything. Fold it. I've already vacuumed this floor. So how am I going to change your hair? Yeah, my lord. Don't go out. Let me change your diaper for you. Hey, your teeth will break. Check it out. Guys, I need to speed up because my boy has slept more than 1 hour now. And I think from any moment from now, he will wake up. But my breast has started sensing. I'm sensing it. So I need to just do fast. But I still have a lot. So this is how far. You see, I folded some of these things. And some of these things. Folded some of the things. Enough hangers, so sometimes I pack more than 3 in one hanger. If you're a woman, you have to know how to manage. You understand? Because 3 of these things can enter here. So that is it. Like sitting down folding things, because if I sit down, it's like if I sit down to do something, it's like I'm not doing it fast, like it's not speeding up. But if I stand to do, I just do it fast. So I think I'm used to standing and doing things, because right now I'm able to fold enough of the clothing and I'm happy about that. At least it's better than before. He's trying to wake up. He's really trying to wake up. So I have to, at least, he has slept for long. So I need to be ready when he's awake. Good boy. Uh-uh. Wow. When it is a town.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I like the color. Okay. That is try for me. Wow.
I get that. Yeah.
Oh, it's just wow, so soft. Uh, Sister Linda.
Hi.
That is Sister Linda. Eh, eh. And you share me hair bonnet and you who say your sister proper.
Yeah.
Eh, eh. Hey, sister Linda, what too?
Yeah. Yeah. Come inside. Come inside.
Go, go and suck
Come
daddy's
inside, baby.
breast.
Come.
Go and suck daddy's breast. Will you go and suck daddy's breast? Daddy is now mommy.
Come.
Go run it, Papa. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Thank you, Daddy. You're the best man. Buying undies and everything. Right? You grow up and be like your daddy, okay? You buy things for your wife. Do you get
Yeah.
it? Mm-hmm. Let me show you there. So this one is like nightwear boutique. So you choose, if you're watching me and you see any of the nightwears, just send me message under the comment section and I will send it to you, okay? Because this one is like nightwear boutique. So these are the collections my husband picked. And I love all the selections he picked. So let me show you guys. It's so nice. From here, this is 2 pieces. See this one and that, this one, and this is 3 set, 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And this one, see this one, this is also this one, and this is the same, similar. And this one, so these 3 green, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy, baby. Yeah. And these are all pajamas, guys. Guys. I'm so happy. See, so those are my new collections of my nightwears. Right? You like them? I like them too. So this is Caleb shoe. So this is also for baby Caleb. Caleb, let me show them, okay? So this is Caleb shoe. So his daddy got him 3 pairs of shoes. So this is Caleb's outfit. It's Spider or Spider-Man also. Yeah. So that is all the collections. That is all the surprise. shopping Daddy did for us, and we love Daddy so much. And what do we say? Thank you, Daddy. Right? Yeah.